friends, welcome back to my channel Bhukkad's Kitchen. After so long I'm making a video for you all in this hot summer. This is a recipe of watermelon mocktail. So in this recipe we have one special guest. Let's welcome him.
Hello, my name is Shahid.
So for making this recipe you need some watermelon. I have some fresh watermelons. You need a soda and some sugar powder, some lemon and some fresh mint leaves. Alright, so let's begin with the recipe. So Mr. Shahid हमारी help करेंगे इस watermelon को cubes में chop करने में. Let's chop it, Shahid. Till then, Shahid is chopping our watermelon. What we have to do, with the help of lemon, just give a nice, yes. Now you can see हमने इसके side में corners में lemon लगाया. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Sugar में इसको coat कर देंगे. After that thing, it will look something like this. Now in a plate or tray, just place it like this. So now you can see we have our watermelons. You have to put the watermelons in that. Now Shahid will help us in cubing this lemon. आप इसको cube कर दो. After adding your watermelons with the help of mortar, just squeeze it. Add some lemon. Can you pass me the mint, Shahid? Add some fresh mints. Add some more lemon. Add some more mint. After that, what you have to do is add some sugar powder and squeeze it well. Now what you have to do, you just have to add some ice cubes. Mr. Shahid, can you help me to make some stars out of your watermelon?
Yes.
So see, now you have some stars. This you can use for your garnishing purpose. I need some more. See, these are looking so nice and refreshing. One more. In between, if you want, you can add some of the mint like this. And the final one like this. And one more mint at top. What you have to do now,
It's so refreshing. I'm feeling very energetic.
Shahid for coming in my video.
I also enjoyed it. It was a great experience.
This easy summer refreshing cocktail recipe. So what you have to do, just go through my channel, subscribe my channel and like my videos. And if you want me to make some more videos like this, kindly write in comment section. Definitely I'll make some videos for you. Bye bye.